Earlier this month, we told you that the state is funding blood tests for over 600 Maine families whose properties were contaminated by forever chemicals.
PFAS chemicals can stay in the body for years without breaking down. Well, now a cholesterol medicine that has been around for years could lead to new ways to treat PFAS exposure. News Center Maine's Vivian Lee shows us how.
Health worries are always on Fred Stone's mind.
I'm upset about the whole scenario.
PFAS chemicals turned up in the milk of Fred's cows, soil, feed, drinking water, and even in his family's blood. The contamination came from wastewater sludge used as fertilizer on his farm, a practice the state approved as safe.
There we go.
Now, Fred is starting over with a new herd of healthy cows and working to remove the chemicals from the others. He has Parkinson's disease, and his family is also dealing with health issues.
I just do not want this industrial chemical, if you want to call it that, in my body to begin with. It's not supposed to be there.
These chemicals have been linked to health problems like organ cancers and thyroid dysfunction. They build up in the body and can stay there for years. Now, doctors in Maine are looking into whether a cholesterol drug might help people get rid of PFAS more quickly.
It binds PFAS in the body very well and helps people to excrete it through their GI system much quicker than they normally would.
Dr. Rachel Criswell, a family doctor and environmental researcher, and Dr. Abby Fleisch, a pediatric endocrinologist at Maine Health, are studying whether an older cholesterol-lowering drug, cholestyramine, can help the body eliminate PFAS. A study from Denmark found that this drug could lower PFAS levels in the blood, with one trial showing a 63% drop in the compound PFOA after 12 weeks. Dr. Criswell has already been prescribing it off-label to some patients.
People generally have been tolerating the medication pretty well, and that we're optimistic about how it helps to reduce PFAS body burden.
Both doctors recently got funding to study how PFAS levels in the blood changes for patients taking this drug, which could help even more people in the future. Fred and his wife Laura plan to start the medication next month.
All we've heard is bad news, so to get something positive is really kind of as if we're starting to come up with some answers to the problems.
Dr. Criswell is also looking for mothers who are breastfeeding babies 3 months old or younger to join a study about PFAS in breast milk and its protein makeup.
To make sure that they're safely breastfeeding their kids and that they're able to supplement if needed to provide their infants with everything that they need.
The goal is to give Mainers who have been exposed to the toxic compounds more options for treatment and ways to protect their health. Vivian Lee, News Center, Maine.
Right now, those researchers are recruiting people for a PFAS breastfeeding study from now until next June. If you'd like more information, you can find it in this story on our website.